In this video, I'm going to explain all the classic symptoms of a failing throttle body and when it is time to replace it. Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. How do you know your throttle body is failing? The main purpose of the throttle body is to regulate and control the amount of air entering the engine. A typical throttle body will contain a throttle valve, throttle actuator, throttle position sensor. It will have passages, it will have needle bearings, it will have torsion spring, it will have gears, the big connector on it, wires, and so on. Together, all these components will control the amount of air entering the engine. When incoming air is not properly controlled, this will affect how the engine will perform. The first sign that you know that there is something wrong with your throttle body is going to be idle issue. For example, you may experience high idle, low idle, and erratic idle. This can be caused by dirt, grime, carbon buildup, and engine oil that finds its way into the throttle body. For example, if you have carbon buildup, this can clog the throttle body of passages and affect idle. If you have tons of grime, dirt buildup, and carbon buildup inside the throttle body, this can affect how air flows inside the engine, and this can definitely affect how the engine performs. Cleaning out the throttle body passages may fix the issue, and this also may help the above-fire valve to move freely. If this doesn't fix the issue, maybe the throttle actuator is faulty, maybe the gears are worn out, maybe the throttle position sensor is faulty, maybe you have a wire issue or a connection issue. In modern vehicles, a lot of components is built together with the throttle body, such as the throttle actuator and the TPS. So the next common symptom is going to be acceleration issue. For example, you may have poor acceleration, maybe erratic acceleration, maybe the vehicle may jerk when you step on the gas pedal. A lot of components is built on the throttle body. For example, the idle air control can be on it, the throttle actuator, the TPS, and so on. And if any of these components fail, this can affect idle. Again, it can cause it to stall, especially at idle. The next time that you know you're going to have throttle body issue is the check engine light turning on, and you're going to get throttle body related codes. For example, you may get P2101, P2110, P2112, P2118, P2119, and so on. The next sign is going to be reduced engine power, warning light turning on. When the reduced engine warning light turns on, that means your vehicle automatically got set into limp mode. Basically, limp mode is to limit the vehicle speed to around second gear and to go no faster than 35 to 50 miles per hour. If you're getting reduced engine power warning light, most likely this is going to be caused by a faulty throttle body. If you're getting throttle body related codes, replacing the throttle body might actually fix this issue. In modern vehicles, especially when you change the throttle body, most likely you're going to have to do a relearn process. For example, if you don't do a relearn process and you change the throttle body and you start your vehicle and the idle's kind of funny, then again, most likely you do have to do a relearn process. And lastly, poor gas mileage. If incoming air is affected, this can affect gas mileage. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.